Hey guys, it's Anthony, and thanks for stopping by. I'm working on my Axial deadbolt, and I'm putting in some lighting here. I've actually went to a couple hobby places, and they don't have the lights for the 5 buckets. So I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to do 4, and then I'm going to do the middle one a little different. So I'll do that at a later video. But right now I'm going to be putting some LED lights in here. I got my wiring just started here. I'm going to have to drill some holes in the body over here, concealing the wires, painting them up, adding a 9-volt battery. You'll need one of these things. It just comes with 2 wires, 2 lead wires, and it just connects to a 9-volt battery. And then you can actually put a little switch on there too, which I'm thinking of putting right about in this location for a quick boom, boom, boom. Alright? So this is my first video on the lighting, and we'll progress as we go on. Next step, I'll be drilling the holes for the wiring. Alright, I'm going to be putting 2 wires into that side and 2 wires into that side. So the video continues. Notice these buckets on the deadbolt here. You can slide these over and then put your light in there. And I can't do it with 2 hands, but actually you got a little slot on there, and that's where the wire gets connected. Alright, so I just want to show you how the light goes into the bucket. So I got the 4 lights in the buckets, and again, these will be going down underneath the hard top along the raw spire. I do have all 4 lights in the buckets now, if you can see how they're in. Alright, and again, the wires are painted. I'll be clipping this little piece off here. And the exposed wire, after I've done my best to keep it tight to the roll bar, I will just touch up with some Tamiya flat black just to hide it. And I'll show you the final details as we go on here, okay? So I do have all the lights, and now I'm just going to test them before I actually drill the holes through the body and get the wiring put down into the battery mount, which will be underneath this body. Alright, so let's test the wires and the lights. Right, so we're going to test all the lights and make sure they're all working up. That one's definitely working. Number 2 is definitely working. No problems. Light number 3. We have power. And number 4. Can't wait to get these lights on. Number 4. Any problems? Nope. We're good to go. Alright, beautiful. Alright, next step. We're going to be drilling the holes in the bodies and then putting the wires down. Next clip. Alright, I've marked my locations, and I'm using a 964 size bit, just enough for having a couple pair of wires come through. Alright, so let's get this going here. That's 1. And that's 2. Alright, those are the 2 holes that I've now drilled out for the wires. That's how she's going to go like that. Alright, that's pretty concealed right there. Going down in there. Now it's time to do the other side. Alright, here we go. Let me just spin that around. Pretty well, nicely concealed right there. There to go. All the wires underneath now. Alright, so I've connected all the positive wires together and all the negative wires together, color coordinated, onto my battery 9-volt lead here. Alright, so we're going to plug the battery in and just check everything, make sure everything works. Yes, and we got power. So for now I'm just going to do 4 of them, but they are working great and they are pretty bright. Let's kill the light here. So it definitely shines up nice. Alright, so I'm going to put a switch on there, battery pack, weld the connections, and then we'll take it for a test drive and we'll go from there. Thanks so much for watching.